Hey, this is Isaac Cotec, aka Subiquitous. I am a teacher of the Find Your Sound course through Gravitas, and I just wanted to share a few techniques that I find really helpful for me to stay creative and to find my sound as a musician. The number one for me is to think of story, to come at creating music as a way of expressing a story, an idea that I want to get across, like a fantastic space or some type of emotional message, instead of from a technical perspective. When I break free from the technical and just move into the land of story, I'm less attached to if it's perfect or what people think about it. Who cares? It might be an okay story, it might be a great story this time, but I'm a storyteller, and that's what I'm doing, and that's what I'm working on. That really helps me. And the second thing is just consistency. A technique that's really helped me stay creative is not having these gigantic goals that seem unreachable. Like, I have to finish 20 tracks in the next few months to get this album out, or whatever it is. What helps me stay creative and keep moving forward is simply showing up and making that easy. And what I mean by that is saying, I'm gonna have a goal to work on music for 5-10 minutes. Do that once every day for 5 days a week. Super easy. If I was working, I can come home and I can work on the music for 5-10 minutes and not feel like, oh, I have all this time I need to spend or whatever. But what I find is making as simple of a goal as that, it makes the process of music a habit that I'm doing all the time. And the other thing is, I generally find after 5-10 minutes, I'm so engaged, I keep going. So instead of making huge, gigantic goals, making very simple, approachable things that can be longer, but are short enough that it's not even a question. I just sit down and do it. That really helped me when I first getting started. And it even helps me now as a professional musician, because sometimes I'm just busy with lots of other life. It keeps getting in the way or whatever, but being consistent really keeps me moving as a musician. So I'm excited to be a part of the Find Your Sound course from Gravitas. I'm going to be showing off lots of techniques throughout the course, teaching, as well as being a part of the office hours. So I'd love to have you join me. It's going to be a nice collaborative space, connect with other musicians, connect with myself and other artists, and really dive into the philosophies, ideas, and creativity behind our music. This is Isaac Cotec. I'm an Ableton certified trainer and stoked to be a part of this, so come on and join me at Find Your Sound.